graders have been learning in their science classroom about the physics of sound and light. So we've been integrating it with their reading, with their math, with their social studies. We've been integrating it in the music classroom and even in the art studio and in PE. They've been doing movement also. So today they'd like to showcase what they've been learning. They're going to start off on the stage here and show you their wonderful music skills that they have, in addition to teaching you a little bit about the physics of sound today. So we would like to explain to you how the students at JSA integrate all of those subjects together through STEAM. So here are the first graders with our sound of celebration.
Interesting.
Did you know that sound can travel through air? It can also
travel through water and even solids.
I see. Those vibrations, those sound waves, organized together in special patterns, can travel through almost anything to make music, right?
Yeah!
I think this science and physics stuff is pretty easy. Making music can be a lot of fun. Do you all agree?
Yes!
I think these first graders were born to make music. Wow, I think that was pretty wonderful singing. What do you guys all think? I like to hear these first graders singing voices, but I'd like to know how you get all those different sounds with your voice. How does your voice work, first graders? Who would like to tell us today? Christina, come on down. How does your voice work?
Your vocal cords move.
Oh, your vocal cords. Inside your throat you have vocal cords and they move. So what gets those vocal cords moving?
Vibration.
Oh, they're vibrating. And something probably goes past those vocal cords to make them vibrate. Is that true? Kailante, what do you think?
Air.
Your air. Thanks, Kailante. So I get it. So the air comes out of your lungs, right? And it goes past your vocal cords, and it makes it vibrate. And then you open your mouth, and what comes out, everybody? The sound waves come out. Awesome. Thanks for teaching us that. Hey, first graders, to sing the melody, your voice has to change pitch, right? But I'm wondering, what does pitch mean, everybody? Oh, I get it. The high and the low sounds. Thanks. I bet you're going to teach us some more, aren't you? Awesome.
If the pitch is high, the molecules are vibrating fast. If the molecules are vibrating, if the pitch is low, molecules are vibrating slow.
I get it. A high pitch sound has a high frequency, and a low pitch sound and the low frequency. Is that right, everybody?
Right.
I think I'm beginning to understand it. But sometimes I've heard some of the teachers here at Johnson Stevenson get it mixed up. And they talk about quiet and loud as low and high. But we know that those are two different things, right?
That's right.
Yep. Volume and pitch are two different things.
That's right. Loud and quiet are the volume of the sound, not pitch. Change the size, big or small, of the sound wave. Makes it loud or quiet.
Oh, I see. So if I clap my hands very gently, for example, fewer molecules are moved, so the sound is quiet.
That's
like,
right.
Like this. And if I would clap harder, it would move more molecules, so it would be louder, like this. That's pretty amazing. Thanks so much, everybody. I think we will demonstrate now about pitch on the boom whackers. All right, I have some first grade helpers here. Please show us those boom whackers. Let's look at those. Kindergartners, do you notice something about the size of those? Which are the bigger ones? Oh, down here. Which ones do you think are going to have the lowest sound? Oh, you think? Let's find out if you are right. We're going to have them play and we'll see which ones are the lowest sound. The bigger ones are or the little ones are. Right? So where were the low ones, everybody? Over here. The bigger the instrument, the lower it sounds. Thank you. Hey, boys and girls, that sounded like a song I think you know. What was it? I think we better sing our Do Re Mi song with some help from our two extra friends. Ready?
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Do, a deer, a female deer. Re, a drop of golden sun. Mi, a name I call myself. Fa, a mother bears to run. So, running a holy
All right, first graders, this is really fun learning about sound. Kindergartners, are you having a good time? Yeah. Awesome, I'm glad. But now, I'm wondering how those musical instruments make sounds. I bet some of our first graders can help us out.
In music class, we learn about instruments. We study the family of instruments.
Yes, you studied the percussion family of instruments. The first graders use their knowledge of science from their plant out of the junk material in their physics class?
Percussion instruments are ones that you can tap.
Let's show them.
To make the molecules vibrate, you can also shake